Hello viewers, welcome you all to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn two new formulas. So let me show you my data set. I have a huge sales report in front of me, and this is for the U region, and all the sales values are in million. So it's normal tendency to look for the top performers and bottom performers as part of the analysis activity. Let's introduce two new formulas that will be helpful for you to identify the top performers and the bottom performers. So I'll show you that here. So here we are going to use the formula large, and here we are going to use the formula small, and we'll show you how that works out. Okay, so here we have close to 24 countries in my list. All 24 countries are from the EU region, and let's see how to find the top 5 performers for the Q1 sales. So I am going to use the formula large and the array is actually, now we are doing this only for the Q1 sales, so I have selected the Q1 sales, comma I need the first top performer. Okay, so what happened is, actually I have applied the value as 1, and since it is a table, it has actually applied the same formula for everything. So this one has to be modified into 2. So let me try this. Second is also, I think, 1, and then 2 is also okay. It keeps changing the formula in all the cells. Fine, since it is table, it is actually spilling the formula to all the cells automatically. Now how to override this easily? But we need the first top performer here, second here, third, fourth, 5. I'm going to use the formula rows, and this rows will return an integer value. So which row I'm going to look for? I'm going to look for the row F6. I'm going to look for, sorry, I think it's F5. Let me lock this reference. F4. Yeah. So I have pressed F4 to introduce dollar in front of both the row value and the column value. F5 to, it's going to be F5. Alright, so now what happened? Just check what happened to the formula. In the first row it is F5 to F5, in the second row it's F5 to F6, in third row it's F5 to F7, F5 to F8, F9, right? So, and also it's essential to know what this actually returns. Select this piece alone, then press F9. You will be shown with the result. Then undo using Ctrl Z. Let us see what it has written here. Number of rows between F5 and F9. Again I am pressing F9. I am displayed with the result of that piece of formula. So it has written me the value 5 as expected. Now undo again. Okay, so what happened here is, actually it says that there are 242, 48, and then 246, and then 144. Okay, so let's have a look here. Yes, Vienna and Stockholm has 48, Berlin has 46 million, and then Oslo also has 46 million, right? So actually the formula is working fine. At times people will be looking for the unique values, okay, in the top performer. So there, let's combine another formula, large of unique. I'm going to use the value Q1 sales, right, comma I'm going to use my usual rows F5 to F, I think, yeah, it's G5, but yeah, both return same values. g5 to g5, and it is essential to log the first part alone. Press F4 to log this. That actually returns you the number of rows between g5 row to g5 row. It's just one, right? So here we got the unique value. So top value is 48 million, then second value is 46 million, third value is 44 million, 42 million, and then 37 million. So these are the top 5 performers. Same way we can find the bottom performers as well using the small formula. Small of Q1 sales, comma, rows H5 to H5, and don't forget to log this F4. Yes, and so bottom performance, actually two countries are having 1 million performance. Okay, so here they are, London and Madrid, and then one has 3, Bucharest, and then one has 5 and 8, Athens and Lisbon. Okay, so now here we have the duplicate value again. I think London and Madrid has 1 million. Same way, let's look for the unique values as well. Small of unique of Q1 sales, comma, rows it's I5 to I5, and press F4. It's right. So now if you look into the unique values, actually 1, 3, 5, 8 and 13. So we have managed to exclude the duplicate, and we got the actual bottom performers without duplicates. Right now, normally companies tend to find the analysis for the entire year. Okay, it need not be just for the one single quarter. So let's introduce another column, total. Okay, so I am going to teach you a shortcut here. So the shortcut is Alt plus equal to. When you press Alt plus equal to, it automatically detects the summable rows or columns nearby, and then it will give you the total value. Right, so here we got the total. Now let's find let's rewrite this formula to find the top 5 total performers and bottom 5 total performers. So on the same formula, I'm just going to replace the column alone. Instead of Q1 sales, I'm just going to write total. So here we got 163, that's Vienna, and then we have 152, that's Warsaw. Fine. So we got the okay, here actually we don't have duplicates since it's for an annual data. We don't have duplicates. Same way we can rewrite the small formula as well to find the total. Okay, so here again we got the total performers, I mean least performers. Okay, Amsterdam, then Athens. Right, so I hope you would have learnt almost 2 to 3 techniques out of this. First technique is to use the large and small formulas, and then second technique is to use the rows formulas, and then third one is to combine the unique formula with large and small formula. So I hope you would have found this video useful. In that case, please don't miss to subscribe the channel. We'll be bringing more such interesting contents to you in future. Thank you. Stay tuned.